Welcome everyone. Today our discussion is on humanitarian principles. Humanitarian action should follow humanitarian principles. There are four humanitarian principles. These are humanity, neutrality, impartiality, and independence. Principle 1. Humanity. Humanitarian action should address human suffering, protect life and death, health, and ensure respect for human beings. Principle 2. Neutrality. Humanitarian action must not take a side in hostilities or engage in controversies of a political, racial, religious, or ideological nature. Principle 3. Impartiality. Humanitarian action on the basis of need alone, giving priority to the most urgent cases of distress, making no adverse distinction on the basis of nationality, race, gender, religious belief, class, or political opinion. Humanitarian principle 4. Independence. Humanitarian action must be autonomous, power of self-governing from the political, economic, military, or other objectives. Thanks to all for participating with us. We will discuss on this issue more in next days.